Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I put a vignette together. So come on with me, guys. Isn't this board absolutely beautiful? And then we have that buffalo check runner, and both items were thrifted. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm showing you these tulips that I purchased from Michael's and I'm absolutely loving them. I decided to go ahead and combine the colors yellow and lavender. Because we're going farmhouse in this vignette, I decided to go ahead, wrap some jute twine around the vase, hang a black bee from the jute twine, and then here we have a little box with succulents. So the Dollar Tree is carrying these little fur neck wraps, and I decided to purchase one in black. It's so beautiful and it makes a nice drape over the side of the table. Then this little votive, it has little like bubble glass on the outside. I thought it would be really cute to place here. So we're lighting the votive and we're gonna head on over to the reveal. Now this is also just a quick reminder that the calendar of collaborations is up in the community tab. All of the thumbnails are already done. I am looking for some co-hosts for the Decorate a Lantern collaboration, which is for July 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I cannot wait to have you guys join, and yes, head on over there, guys, and make sure and jot the dates down. Now I have set to release this evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time a DIY project, and I cannot wait to see you there, guys. Come on over and support me. Now, I think this vignette came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you agree. It looks so good. I'm so happy. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.